Well, we got the CP train now leaving Dorval ramps. It is the 3rd of August 2020 at around 5:20 p.m. And this is the train that had come in, waited a little bit, and now it's departing with two AC 4400 CWM rebuild locomotives leading it here underneath the Dorval ramps headed west. We got loads of mixed freight to start off. A lot of hoppers. And I'm hoping for a CN train to enter. I haven't seen one yet today. So we have a good possibility of two trains here. A lot of these yellow boxcars, TTX. There we go. Some variety here. Wood products. Looks like an ex-Chicago and Northwestern grain hopper there. More wood products. A coil steel car right there. This thing is really hauling ass. I'm trying to get out in front of the scheduled EXO train, that's why. There's the TPU. And here's an EXO train. I like when you get two. In the or in the pre-COVID world, we used to have more via trains, so there would have been probably a via train too. It would have been a good chance of 3 trains here. That likely won't happen today because of COVID-19. There were fewer via rail trains. AMT is still running. And there's the end. Well, if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.